All right, beautiful sunset. Oh, I just love it out here. Yep, I'm gonna have to do this every year, guys, so you know where I'm going. How beautiful that is, huh? Incredible sunsets. Beautiful. I love it. Wow. Check this out, guys. Isn't this beautiful? Yeah, there's your cousin Gary in the woods. Wow. Isn't God awesome? I'll get you down here, brother. See if I can keep from falling in this critter.
Can you make it okay?
Oh yeah. I'm old, I'm not dead. Look at you, man. Wow.
I want you right there.
Okay.
Alright, is it recording? Alright. Look how beautiful this is. I love it.
Should have brought your fishing pole.
Oh, I'm telling you. Well, now I know where to come next year when I come back. You know? Beautiful.
That moose standing there. Ain't he something? No. I don't think we need to get out and aggravate him, do you?
No.
That is unbelievable. This on the video, but I want to send it to you guys if I can. Let me try to get inside real quick. Look at this lodge. I'm gonna have to, I'll walk through it quick, but you can see the rest of it later. But man, it is just absolutely gorgeous. Huh. Oh, man, look at this place. That's beautiful. Wow. Huh. Look at the size of that fireplace. Oh. Huh. Man. Look at this place. This is just absolutely gorgeous. This is what I wanted to show you guys. It is critter. Here's my hand. Look at the size of that thing, would you? Huh. There's a pickerel. Wow. Look at the size of this fireplace, would you? Man, how'd you like to spend some time in here? Little critter in the corner. Huh.
But as we all saw in 2007 through 2010, state governments got absolutely pummeled by the Great Recession, and as a result, they essentially put infrastructure on the back burners.
All right, guys, that's beautiful. This is West Lake. This is where I used to come when I was a kid. There's that guy again. I don't know who that is, but you'd be what, second cousin to my kids?
Yeah.
Something like that. Yeah.
That'd be number one.
Yeah, number one. All right, there you go. Look at this place. Awesome. Now, that's a great concept right there. Light the place up all the time. He's probably using that to keep his batteries charged, huh?
Absolutely.
Huh. Beautiful place. Look at this. Wow. Really nice. Yeah, this is awesome. Yeah, nice little bunkhouse. Great. Wow, guys. I sure do wish you were here with me, man. This thing is beautiful. I love you guys. All right. Beautiful. I'm going to have to try this critter out. She's recording right now. Let's see if I can get in this without killing myself. Yeah. Whoa. you go.
How is it?
Oh, awesome. Unbelievable.
Want me to sing you a lullaby?
Yeah, I don't think so, man. You need to buy me lunch before we do anything else.
That's
I can't
true.
take a nap without lunch, you know.
Totally understand.
Here you go. All right. Oh, we're in. How about that? It's alive now. You're allowed to talk and everything. Look at you guys, man. Wow, great to see you, Patty. Awesome, man. I'm really
Awful
glad.
to see you, Tom.
Tom's back here.
Oh my God, he's here like a bad penny.
Too.
Yes.
Maybe that might remember me.
Uh-huh. Yeah, there you go. Well, I'm gonna. Yeah. Well, we'll share it with everybody. I'll get you copies since I've been here and all that stuff. So, because we got Patty and Chris and the kids and all that stuff. So yeah, I'll share it with you. All right. All right. Cool. I love you guys. See you. At Joanne's place. Oh, look at that moon already. Beautiful. Yeah. A little pontoon boat. This is called Pusha Lake. It is just absolutely beautiful out here right now. Girls, you remember this when you came up. Uncle Alton took you guys out on the wave runner. Remember that? We had a blast. The sun just broke out of the clouds. It is 7:30 at night. How beautiful this is, huh? And the waves lapping. Beautiful. You know why I love it up here, girls. Pretty cool. We all need to have a reunion again up here, I guess.